Hello, smart kids! Get your notebooks and pens ready and sit down in front of the screen. Today we will learn the letters WXYZ with you. Are you ready? Where did we start?
Play! Let's drag the letters. W.
Whale. Whale.
W. W. Smart. W.
Whale. Whale.
W. Watermelon. Watermelon. W. Well, let's build the puzzle. Great! W is for watermelon. Let's write the letters. W. W. Good job. Good one. W. 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 Let's drag the letters. X. X-ray. X-ray. X. X. Great! X. X-ray. X-ray. X. Xylophone. Xylophone. X. Let's build the puzzle. Good job! X is for xylophone. Let's write the letters. X. X. Nice! Well done. X. 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 Let's drag the letters. Y. Yak. Yak. Y. Y. Good job. Y. Yak. Yak. Y. Yo-yo. Yo-yo. Y. Let's build the puzzle. Great! Y is for yo-yo. Let's write the letters. Y. Y. Good job. Smart. Y. 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 Match the lower W. W. X. 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 Y. 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 Well done. Which letter do you hear? X. X. Great! Y. Y. Good job! Y. Y. Nice! W. W. Well done! Choose the correct uppercase letter. X. Great! Y. Smart! W. Nice! E. Great! Well done! Find the similar letters. X. Smart! Y. Nice! W. Smart! Well done! Which letter do you hear? Y. Y. Great! X. X. Good job! W. W. Nice! W. W. Well done! Drag letters and build the word. W. H. A. L. E.
Whale.
Well done! Find the missing letter.
Whale.
W.
Whale.
Yak. Y. Yak. Xylophone. Try again. X. Xylophone. Nut. N. Nut. Well done. Let's drag the letters. Z. Zebra. Zebra. Z. Z. Nice. Z. Zebra. Zebra. Z. Zip. Zip. Z. Well done. Good job! Z is for zebra. Let's write the letters. Nice! Wow! Z. 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 Match the lowercase letter candies to the uppercase letter jars. X, X, Y, 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 Z, Z, Z. Well done. Which letter do you hear? Z. Z. Great! X. X. Good job. Y. Y. Nice! X. X. Well done. Choose the correct uppercase letter. Z. Nice! W. Smart. Y. Great! X. Great! Well done! Find the similar letters. Y. Smart. Z. Great! X. Great! Well done! Which letter do you hear? Z. Z. Great! X. X. Good job! X. X. Nice! Y. Y. Well done! Find the missing letter.
Whale.
W.
Whale.
Xylophone. X. Xylophone. Zebra. Z. Zebra. Yak. Y. Yak. Well done. Drag letters and build the word. Z. E. B. R. A. Zebra. Well done.
Smart kids! If you liked the video lesson, click like and be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next video lessons. You are very smart kids!